Hi children, I am telling you I am going to give you IIT foundation course from 6th class onwards. So that the sake of it I have given the concept in above 3 classes. Okay, before this, and now we are going to start IIT level 1 and level 2 problems for 6th class students. So of course it will be the length of the difficulty level will be increased day by day. Okay, slide by slide the difficulty level is going to be increasing. Okay, don't fear children, I will tell you, I will explain you clearly. I am not going to skip any of the things, right? If you feel like skip something, you just give me in the comment box, so that I will make you video if possible, if I miss any of the concept. Okay, don't worry. Right, see, now we shall try to solve the problem. First of all, read the problem carefully. State what do you understand by the term area of the object. Okay, already we defined this in our class. So what is area? The amount of surface occupied by an object or place. The amount of surface occupied by an object or place. Okay, it is called as area. State the standard international unit of area. We already told this in our class, that is square meters or meter square. And give me the submultiples and multiples of area. Submultiple and multiple means this is the standard unit, SI unit of area. We have to take upper two values and lower two values of the meter square. The upper, multiples will be hectare and kilometer. These are the higher values compared to the meter square, standard unit. 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square and 1 kilometer square is equal to 10 lakh meter square. 1 followed by 6 zeros. Similarly, submultiples means lower than this one. So 1 centimeter square is equal to 0.001 meter square and 1 millimeter square is equal to 0. Followed by 5 zeros and 1 meter square. Okay, go for the next problem. How can you find the length of the rectangular body if you know its area and breadth? We have to find the length. We know the area and breadth. Actually the formula is area is equals to length into breadth. Okay, so what we know? Length we know. For that sake, what we have to do? Length is equals to area by breadth. That is area divided by breadth. Likewise, we can calculate length. Okay, so the next problem is, without using the measuring scale, we should not use the scale. You have to find the area of the following 5 rupee coin and play card. How you are going to find it? See, through graph paper. Through graph paper already we have done the previous concepts. So through graph paper we can find this. We can count the number of full squares. First of all, you have to draw an outline and then count the complete squares once and half or less than complete squares second time count. Complete squares plus half into incomplete squares will give you what is known as the area. It is an approximate area, remember that children. It is not complete area, it is an approximate one. Okay, next we go for using an appropriate measuring instrument. How can you measure find the area of postal stamp, greeting, school hall and football? Okay, to find this, in order to have postal stamp, it is enough to have a scale, small centimeter or millimeter scale. Okay, for greeting also a scale is enough, or meter if you use tape, in that millimeters is enough. Okay, even in inches also you can measure it. And school hall we need a tape which is of larger one. Okay, measuring tape. So likewise we can measure for all those can be, measuring tape can be used for all those things, right? Next one, there is a circular field. The field is in circular shape. Of area is approximately 500 meter square. Okay, how can you measure the area accurately? By using the measuring tape. Okay, first of all, you have to measure, in order to measure accurately with the help of measuring tape, we have to find the radius. Okay, so from here to here, find the radius with the help of tape. With the help of tape, if you find the radius with the formula, that is pi r square, the value of pi is 22/7. If you know the radius, you can make it square and multiply with this, you can easily find it. There is no need to measure the area with the tape all over the ground. Okay, if you just find the radius, you can find it, right? Next one is, the length of the square room is 13 meters. So the room is of square shape. Its one of the length is 13 meters. What is the floor area of the room? It is just side square, because both the sides are equal, length and breadth are equal in case of square. We already studied. You just make a square of it, that is 13 into 13, 169 square meters. Likewise, you can measure. And the next one is, there is a school compound. This is a school compound. Is 450 meters length. So 450 meters, this is length. Okay. And breadth is 145 meters. Find the area of the compound in meter square and hectares. See children, if you got this kind of problem, okay, in order to find in meter square and hectares, see in question what he has given. He has given meters, right? Here it is meter and here also meter. First you try it in meter, because square, you are going to get directly a one answer. Okay, 450 into 145. You will get around 65250. You got in meter square. Then you have to find in hectares. See, we know the formula. 1 hectare is equals to 10,000 meters square. So 1 meter square is equals to 1 by 10,000 hectares. So for that sake, what you have to do? You divide it by 10,000. So that after 4 digits you keep one dot, that is 6.525 hectares. Easily you can get it. So if you get this kind of problems, you do, in the problem itself you will be given units. In the same units, you try to find the problem, like meter square, meter square. Okay, don't convert this to hectares and do it. Okay, directly you do this. After that, you just, after coming answer in meter square, then go try to convert into the other unit, that which they asked. Okay, it will be very simple. Next one is, a district has a length of 20 kilometers and breadth 17 kilometers. Here they both are given in kilometers. So you try to find the answer in square kilometers first. 20 into 17, 340 square kilometers. You got the answer directly. Then you try to find it in hectares. Hectares is equals to 1 kilometer is 100 hectares, right? So 1 kilometer, which is 1 square kilometer, is equals to 100 hectares. Then you try to multiply with that 100. Easily you are going to get the answer. Right. Next children, a triangular cardboard, a cardboard is of triangular shape, is base is, so base is how much? 20 centimeters, and the height is 15 centimeters. So we know already the formula for area of triangle, that is half into base into height. Half into base into height, half into 20 into 15, that is 150 square centimeters. Likewise, you are going to get the answer. Try to make the problem simple, right? Next one, a coin of radius 28 millimeter, he has given in millimeter. What is the area in millimeter square and centimeter square? First millimeter, you try it in millimeter. Area which is 3.14, 22 by 7, that is 5r square. 22 by 7 is 3.14 into 28 into 28. You are going to get 2462.72. So you just multiply it. Okay, which is almost equal to 2464 or 63. 2463 almost. You just divide it with 100 centimeter square. You will get 24.63. 24.63 will be the almost accurate answer. So likewise, we are going to do several problems, children. Okay, we will meet in the next slide. Try to listen once, twice. If you get any of the doubt in the problems that which I have done, okay, you just ask me. Okay children, bye. Thank you. We will meet in the next class.